Hello everyone and welcome to our guided project Patient Information Dashboard using Power BI. In this project, we are going to explore how to analyze and visualize medical data of patients in a hospital using Power BI. The main objective of this project is to build an interactive patient information dashboard where we can view admission numbers of patients, and when a doctor or nurse clicks on a specific admission number, they can instantly access detailed information such as test results, date of admission, and date of discharge. To begin with, the first step in our project is importing data into Power BI. There are multiple ways to import data, such as from Excel files, SQL Server, CSV files, or even by directly pasting the data. In our case, we are using CSV files, which are comma-separated values files containing master data and admission data. While importing, it is important to understand a common interview question regarding the difference between import mode and direct query mode. Import mode, which we are using here, involves copying data from an external source into the Power BI workspace and has a size limitation of 1 GB. On the other hand, direct query mode connects directly to a database without copying the data and does not have a size limitation, making it suitable for large datasets. When importing data, Power BI provides two options: load and transform data. The load option directly brings the dataset into the workspace, while the transform option opens the Power Query editor, which acts as the data preparation area, where we can clean data, create new columns, merge tables, and perform various transformations. For now, we proceed with loading the data and will handle transformations later. After loading, we explore different views in Power BI, including the report view for building dashboards, the data view for inspecting and making quick changes to data, and the model view for creating relationships between tables. Looking at the dataset, we observe details such as patient age, admission and discharge dates, test outcomes like cardiogenic shock, and doctor's notes. It is also important to understand the structure of the data, which includes fact tables and dimension tables. The fact table contains detailed transactional data, while the dimension table, also known as the master table, contains unique identifiers like admission numbers. In this project, the admission number in the master data acts as the primary key, while the same field in the admission data acts as a foreign key, meaning it can have repeated values. Establishing this relationship is crucial for building an effective data model. In the upcoming steps, we will focus on cleaning and preparing the data, ensuring correct data types, and verifying relationships, as Power BI may automatically detect them but not always accurately. Once the data is properly prepared, we will move forward to creating meaningful visualizations and completing our interactive patient dashboard. Thank you.